Hey everyone, welcome to week 6. It is hard to believe that we're already 6 weeks into the semester. Um, so we're moving into a new section of the textbook. This week we're going to focus on stress, and then we'll move on to how we deal with stress. So that's going to be in the following week. So you will have the remainder of this week in order to take Unit Exam 1. So this covers chapters 1 through 4, and it is a combination of multiple choice or matching questions. And it's really important that you understand and know the material in order to do well on these tests. They are difficult, but I do have opportunity for extra credit, as we move through the semester that will be applied to the unit exams. So the test has a time limit of 40 minutes. It will submit as soon as you start the test, and if you go over 40 minutes, it will just automatically submit where you are. So be sure to, be aware and cognizant of how much time you're spending on each question. I would recommend, reviewing the information, each question, answering the ones that you don't, and then coming back to the ones that you need a little bit more time on. So the unit exam is due at the end of this week, and that's over chapters 1 through 4. Then we'll move on to stress. So this week, if you click into this section, it will go over the additional content. There's a few videos that I would recommend you watch. And then you'll have the chapter, the smart book, complete the quiz, and then there's a lab. There is a big project, so it's a 2-week assignment. So you'll begin it this week, and then you'll have the remainder of week 7 as well to complete it. So this one is another journaling. So be very aware that you're continuing to journal for the behavior change. We begin week 3 of 4 for the behavior change in journaling, and then you'll have 2 weeks of journaling for this meditation training. So you will have a couple different options. You do not have to use these as it states right here. You just need to pick which one that you're going to be utilizing for the entire 2 weeks. So these are free YouTube videos. There's no cost associated with them. Some people prefer to use an app, or some people may already have an app. Just know that some are free versions, some are paid, and this, it's your responsibility if you do download an app, whether it's a free trial or you are paying, that is a cost that you are incurring on your own. So just be aware of that. So this goes over the Headspace app if you would prefer to use that, because there is a free 14-day trial, but then you'll want to cancel the membership before you're charged the fee. Okay, so that will go over all of that information, and then we get into the actual assignment. So the very first thing that you need to do is complete the COPE stress survey. So you're going to title your first journal post as pre-meditation training, and then this is what you will include. You need to do this prior to even beginning the assignment. So you're going to meditate for 10 days total. And then your first journal entry, like I just stated, needs to be completed before you do any lessons. And then you have 4 other journal posts. So you'll have 5 total. So you'll have one after meditation day 3, one after meditation day 6, 8, and then 10. So these are the ones that, these are the instructions that are for the first post. So this is before you even start. And then you will go and after each day that's identified, 3, 6, 8, is this information. You should include this information in those posts. So how has the overall experience been? Is it becoming easier to quiet your mind? Any changes to your response to stressors? And what does your stress level feel like it's doing? Is it the same, getting higher, or lower? And then finally, after the last lesson is completed, so after that 10th day, you're going to repeat the same stress survey, title the post the reflection, and then answer these questions. So over the course of 2 weeks, you'll have 10 days of meditation, so roughly five days a week, and then you'll have 5 journal posts that you'll have to do. So this will be due at the end of week 7, and because this is going to be the same basic concept as the behavior change, you cannot bulk load journal entries into one day. So do not save everything for the final week and then enter in 3 or 4 different posts on the same day. They're all time stamped, so you will lose points if you do that. So if you click into here, it will take you directly to the journal, and this will be open on the Monday. So you'll begin this assignment on Monday. So that is week 6. Take the unit exam if you haven't already. Go through the stress information. Take the quiz, the lab, and complete the SMART book. Keep journaling. You're doing a great job. We're on week 3 of 4 moving forward, and then you'll start your meditation training, the assignment. So let me know if you have any questions, and I look forward to reviewing all of the work that you're doing, and I hope everybody has a great week. Thanks.